In this video, we will be showing you how you can reconnect Reolink camera after a Wi-Fi change. First is to plug an Ethernet cable from your camera directly to your router and launch the app and find your camera. Tap the gear icon for the camera and then navigate to network and head to the Wi-Fi settings. Choose your updated Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the correct password. The camera will reconnect and you can now unplug the Ethernet cable. Next is to find the small reset button on your camera. With the camera powered on, you can press and hold the button for about 10 seconds until you hear a prompt or see an LED change. Now open the Railing app and select Add Device and follow the prompts to set it up with your new Wi-Fi network as if it were your new camera. So quick tips, if the router change but Wi-Fi details are the same, the camera should reconnect automatically. And ensure that you are using 2.4 gigahertz band if your router uses separate bands. And try moving the camera closer to the router during your setup. And that's how you can reconnect Raylink camera after Wi-Fi change, and thank you for listening.